welcome to another session of IMOTech training. Today I wanted to talk about how you can set up a Gmail account. One of the great things about Gmail is you can get other services that Gmail offers for free. And once you register an account, you can easily use the other services that Gmail has. So this quick tutorial is just for you to register. For those of you that don't know how to register for Gmail account, I will show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is just open your browser, and you want to go to gmail.com. And once you get there, it's going to show you this screen. And what you want to do is say, create an account. So it's simple. You can do create an account here, or you can go to the top right and then hit create an account. For those that already have an account, you can just go to sign in. But for now, since you don't have an account, you just have to create one. So I'm going to hit create an account. And it's going to ask for a few things here. So the first is it's going to ask for your name. Mohammed, last name, Fofana. And here it's going to ask you to pick a name. Now, one thing you must be aware of, the name you pick has to be available. So if you pick a name that somebody else has already taken, it's not going to work. So you got to play around with it. And mind you, Gmail has millions and millions of users, so you may not get what you want right away, which is, so you have to play around with it. So let's start with, I'm going to pick a name, something similar to what I have, Mohammed Fofana at gmail.com. And so I'm going to pick that for now. And then you got to pick a password. Now, the password has to be 8 characters, and it has to be a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So again, minimum has to be 8 characters, and you have to mix it. It has to have some type of numbers, letters, and some type of symbol like the hashtag or apostrophe or exclamation mark, one of those. So let me pick a password. And again, you have to do it twice just to make sure it's the same password. And once that's done, you're going to hit next. So it said here, you know, my password didn't match. So let me try it again. This is one of the things you have to make sure it's exactly the same password both times. Try it again. And now we have a problem. It's saying this username has already been taken by someone else. So you have to play around with it. So let me try Mohammed Fofana 2020. So you may add something like this just to make sure it's available. So once you put the new one, you're gonna try again. And that one is also being taken. So you may want to do like Mohammed.Fofana 2020. So you have to play around with it because again, there are a lot of people. Okay, so that one has been taken. So I'll try 06 Mohammed Fofana 06 2020. So I'm gonna try that. And that one is available. So here, it's now going to ask you to, for security reasons, it's going to ask you to put your number. It's going to ask you to use a number, which is visible to others. And this is optional, by the way. You don't have to put a number. And also, you can put another recovery email if you want here, which will send you information to that as well. So here, you're gonna put that in. So as far as that, you're gonna put that in, and then you're gonna put here the year. So if you have another email, you can use that email in case you forget your password for this. You're gonna use that email to set it up, or you can also set it up so you can put any type of email that actually you want. And again, it's optional. So I'm not going to do that for now, but if you have like a Hotmail account or you have a Yahoo account, that you're using, you can put that here in case you lose that. And then here, all you're going to do, you're going to put your date of birth. So let me just pick fictitious one. 1985, right? And then you have to pick your gender. Your gender can be female, male, whatever your gender is, or you can also have an option of say, I'd rather not say. So I'm a male in this example, so I'll put that in, and I'll go to next. And now it's going to give you some agreement just to make sure that you agree to the user terms and license. And once that's done, you're just going to say agree. And now it's creating your account. So your Gmail account is being created. So you just have to give it a few minutes and see what happens, and we'll go from there. So again, voila. So now, just like that, your Gmail has been created. Now it's welcoming you, Simple Smart. So you can go through this. This is just a tutorial to kind of show you how to use it. So just hit next, and it will tell you some of the things you can use, how you want it to look. Now there are three types of options you have. You have the default option, which is how your Gmail account is going to look. And there's another option here called comfortable, which doesn't have all the colors and anything like that. And then you have the compact version. But I prefer the default version. So you just have to pick which one you like more. I like the colors they show because it makes it easier when I'm using the other Google tools, how best to use it. So I'm just going to go with the default one and say okay. So so this is what the interface looks like. So usually what happens is you're going to have this is where your inboxes, all the emails that you have are going to be in here. And sometimes what it would do, it will show you the primary emails that you get. And here it will show you, like, if it's a social media emails that comes in, it will show you here. And then here, any type of other promotion that comes in, you can have. But the main tab you're going to be in is primary. So as we can see here, it's saying right now, our setup is about 10% full. We can use other things here to make this more personable. But for now, I'm just going to leave that as is. You can choose, like, so it's saying here your account is being created. And here, the other things you can do, you can choose a theme for your Gmail. So if you want to choose a theme, just hit there and you can pick different things. So you can pick the image that you want, how you want your Gmail to look. So I like the this little Lake Tahoe view. So you can click on that and hit save. So you see how your Gmail now looks like that. If you don't like the theme, you can always go back and choose theme, and you can pick a different theme that you want. But for now, I will leave that one. So I'll hit save. The next thing is it's going to ask you, how did you learn about Gmail? This is something you can just do if you want to do that. You can just say, you can click on that and fill that in. This is just for Gmail, so they know exactly how you learned about their product. So, and next here, if you have important contacts that you want to migrate, you can migrate those contacts by pushing this button, and it will log you into another browser to pull. Like if you have another email account, like a Gmail account, or you have another Hotmail or whatever account, you can log into that account and Gmail will pull it in for you. I'm not going to do that now, but if you wanted to do that, you will. You have that option to bring all those contacts from your other Gmail to this one. I'm going to hit cancel for now. And here, if you have a smartphone you want to link it up with, you can do that. And finally, like you can put your phone number. You can either type your phone number or you can just get the barcode from your and add that in. This will link your Gmail account with your mobile phone. So I'm just going to leave that for now. And finally here, if you want to update your profile, you can select a picture of yourself. You can upload a picture from yourself, or you can take a webcam. You can use a webcam to take a picture of you. And if you don't want a photo, you can just say no photo. And for now, I'm just going to cancel this and let that be. So pretty much my account has been set up. So now here is your inbox. If you receive any email, it's going to be from here. And here is just if you want to tell a friend as far as invite them to use Gmail, or you want to let them know you just signed up. It's a pretty cool marketing tool for Gmail for them to have other people use it. But for now, I'm just gonna cancel out of this and say, okay, I got it. So I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna send this. Okay. So now I'm gonna show you just how to navigate around Gmail. And what you do is all your inbox are gonna be here. And next is the snoozed, which if you want to just snooze certain things, you can do that. Next is the sent. So for today, I don't want to make this lecture too long, so I'm just gonna show you just the main thing. So in here is your inbox, and here are all the ones you've sent. So to send an email, all you gotta do is hit this compose button right here. And I'm gonna hit compose, and here on top is to whom you want to send the email. So for example, I want to send this email to my other account, so mfofana@gmail.com. And here you put the title of what you want to send this. And then this is a test, so I'm just gonna hit say test. And here is where you type your message. If you want to type a message, you can simply just start typing like hello, just testing my new gmail.com account. Thanks, Mohammed. Okay, so you can send your Gmail just like that. You can send that message. Now, if you want to add something, that you want to add an attachment like a document or something like that, all you have to do is just this little button here helps you to attach documents, pictures, anything you want to attach to this email. So if I click on it, for example, it's going to open up my screen. And once you open up my screen, I can just pick whatever document, look for the document that I want to send, and I can just send it. So let me just pick like an example, this CloudFront building. So once you hit it, it will show you what attachment is here. You know, and then if you want to delete the attachment, you can just press the X, it will delete it. Again, to add an attachment, just click here, and you can go and select it. Right here is asking me if I want to use my Google Drive. No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to use my Google Drive. So I'm just going to go back and pick another sample here. And then once you pick the document you want, just hit open. You see now the document is here. You can add many more. If you want to add another attachment, you can just click here and that will do it. So here is if you want to insert a link. Here if you want to like insert an emoji. Here is something I'm going to talk about in my other session, which is the OneDrive that Google gives you, and that's it. So once you've set up, everything is fine, just hit send, and now the email has been sent. So if you look here now, I just received the email from, this is, when you get an email, it will show you here, like you have one. So it just shows me like, congratulations, you're now officially have a Gmail account. So if I click here, it will just show me what I just sent out. Okay, so now let me come to my sent. You'll see the email that you just sent. And that is basically it. You now have a working Gmail account. So to log out, all you got to do is click here and say sign out. And that will sign you out. But I'm not going to sign out for now. I'm just going to stay here. And next, I wanted to show you some of the good things that comes with Gmail. So once you log in, if you click on this, this shows you the Google apps that you can now use since you have Gmail. So when you click on that, it shows you all, these are all the resources that Google Google gives you. So again, you now can access your YouTube, your Play Store, your Meets, your contacts, your Google Drive. These are all the various tools you can use now that it's available. Now, on another session, I will go through and I'll show you how you can utilize this tools, how you can set it up. And that is it for now. If you like this video, please let me know. I can make some more. And hopefully this is very helpful. Thank you very much. And I hope this has been very instrumental for you. And we'll see you again.